How to refresh quick add on Snapchat. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to refresh quick add in your Snapchat. First of all, after you open your phone now, before you open your Snapchat app, go to your Play Store or App Store and start by updating your Snapchat app. Go and search for Snapchat on Play Store, App Store, and make sure you update your Snapchat app like this now. Make sure you update your Snapchat. So after you update your Snapchat, open it like this. So after you open your Snapchat like this now, tap on this profile at the top right side. After you come to your profile, now tap on this settings at the top right side. Under the settings, now scroll all the way to down, scroll to down, scroll to down, scroll to down. As you can see now, under this account action, tap on this clear cache. Clear cache, here is it now. Under this account action, clear cache. So now tap on this continue button. So now it will clear all the cache of your Snapchat app. So now it's successful. Now clear the cache. Now close your Snapchat app and open it again. So now go back and open the Snapchat app again. So after you open your Snapchat app, now tap on your profile at the top right side. After you open your profile, now scroll all the way to down, and go to this add friends section to see. So as you can see now, in this add friends section now, my quick add on Snapchat has been refreshed. That's it guys on how to refresh quick add on Snapchat. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.